Hi guys and welcome to another video. Today I am going to show you how you can easily make a registration form like this. As you can see, it looks very nice and you can do a lot of things to add in it. Like here you can see it. Now I will show you. You can enter your name here. Like I will enter something. You can also choose your date here, something if you want to choose any date. And here you can also select something like this. Color also you can select in this registration form. Today I'm going to teach you all of this and we will talk about it later. So first, as we know, we have to write these things. So I have written the starting tags, the body tag, head tag, title tag, and HTML tag. Now you have to write after the title tag. You have the style. For CSS you have to enter, because this registration form also involves CSS in it. Then in the style tag you have to write table and then curly bracket start, and you have to write background. Choose whichever color you want to choose. I will choose green. And then here, and then you have to write border style, and I will keep it dotted. After that you have to write you have to close it. And then in the body tag you have to write form, then table, then you have to write table body. Then you have to write first table row, and then write name. You have to write whatever you want. After tr you have to write td, table data tag, and then close the table data and again start it here. And then you have to write input and type here type, because you have to write in your name some text. So write here text, and then placeholder, enter your name here, then close this. After that you have to close the table data again, and then you have to close the table row tag. Now we will see what happens. Here you can see it. Now you can write your name here. Now I will show you further things that you have to write. After we have written this much, then you have to write in the table tag border, and then you can keep it whatever you want. I have kept it as 12 pixels. And in the table, in the CSS one style tag, you have to write border color, and I will keep it as red. And then here, sorry guys, here you can see as you can see here, the border is dotted and it has red color, and the background color is also green here. After writing this, in the first table row you have to write id is equal to, and double quotations. And in the style tag you have to write, for example, keep something its name hash. I will keep it as yt, and then curly bracket start and write color is colon, and I will keep it as blue here and close it. Now in the id you have to write yt and save it. Here you see the color of the text name is changed to blue now. And you can also change the font also. Like I will keep it as font family, and I will keep it as Times New Roman. Close it here. There you go. As you can see, the font is also changed. And now further you have to, after closing the table row tag, you have to again start the table row tag and keep the id is equal to same yt. If you want to keep the same color to this also, and then you have to write table data, and write, for example, I will write for example, date of birth. Here I have written, close the table data, again start it, and then write input. Now see here, you have to write is equal to double quotations, and write here date. Now close it. Now let's see what happens. Here you can see, you can choose any date, like I will go on and on and on. Now keep it as, for example, 1180. Yeah, that's not a good thing. September 10th. You can see here that you can also change the selected date here also, and then you have to close the table data tag and close the table row also. Now again start a table row, id is equal to double quotations yt, and close it. Now here you can see table data again, and now I will write something, for example, phone number. Here I will write it, close the table data, start the table data, and write input. Now you have to write here type, for example, I will keep as it as number. Now you can see, now you get a keyboard of only the digits. You can only write digits here. You can see that's a nice thing. And now going back, now I will show you further things. Close the table data also, close the table row, start a new table row. Now this might be interesting, but it will get you bored soon as you write again and again the same things. Now id white. Here after that you have to write the table data again. Now that's boring here also. Now I will write here password, password, close the table data, start a new table data here tag, and write input, and you have to type here type password so that it remains hidden when you write it. Yeah, that's a very nice thing. Now I will show you. Here when you write the password, it will be hidden when you write it. For example, I will write YouTube. Here you can see it. In the name it does not happen. Here you can see it. And in the password, after the password, you have to write placeholder and keep it as enter your password. Now when you once learn this how to make a form, then you can make any kind of forms. I know I once made a form using YouTube. I saw a video, and now I can easily make any form. You see, now you have to write, first you have to close the table data, close the table row. Now you have to start another. I will show you something, table data. Now you have to write, I will show you something good. Here you can write, for example, choose your um, mobile device. Here then close the table data, start new, and here you have to write input, sorry guys, not input, you have to write select, and then you have to write option. For example, I will keep it as Samsung Note 20 Pro, and after that you have to close the option. Now again option tag, you have to write, for example, I will also write Redmi Note 8 Pro, close the option tag again, option. Now I will write Apple iPhone 11. Now the good thing is that it also supports emoji. That's the thing I like in it. After that, sorry guys, save it, and now you will see something nice here. When you see choose your mobile device, you can see you can choose any device. Like, it's not necessary you have to enter only mobile. You can enter anything like the STD code, the pin codes, the for example, when you have to buy something, you see, choose the address like these, like the district, states, or country. Here you can see I forgot something. Here ID YT. So this was the thing that I was showing you. Now that looks nice in it. You can edit your table in many more ways, I would say. You can also search in Google which other input types you can use in it, and also many other tags you can see. Now I will simply show you how to make a button and an alert box with it when you submit it. Now here, coming to the top, I will show you. In the style tag, write, like I'll write button and then curly bracket start, and I will write background. I'll keep it as for example, red and background, and then text color, and I will keep it as orange here, and then close it. Here, after the select tag, I'll close the table data and table row, and means the form is completed. Now you have to write button. I didn't know when I wrote these 70 lines. I think I almost wrote only 20 lines, but when you see it, I wrote, here you can see it, I wrote 72 lines. Yeah, that's a lot. ID, and I will write it as button 1. Did I write it? Button, sorry guys, button, and close it. Now I will write here submit and close it. Here in the button tag, you have to write here on click. Then you can write alert also, sorry, alert, and then brackets. In the brackets you have to keep single quotes, not double quotes, and in them you can write something, for example, thank you for submitting, sorry guys, submitting. Here you can see it. Now I will write, here you can see your button, and when you click on it, you see an alert box, thank you for submitting. Like that, I will show you something nice here also. For example, I will keep it as prompt, and then write here please give us feedback, and I will enter an emoji here. For example, here you can see it. Here, now when you click on the button, here submit, here you can see thank you for submitting. Now you can write your feedback here with, after using PHP you can connect to the server. Now after that, so this was for the today, and today I showed you how you can easily make a registration form stylish, and you learned a lot of input types in it. So please, if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and comment below how was the video, and wait for my more videos like these. Okay, bye.